Hello friends, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Adapt, Learn and Grow Together. In this session, we will discuss about advanced filter option. Advanced filter is a powerful Excel tool which helps in filtering data basis complex criteria, helps in filtering or extracting the unique records, keeping the source input records untouched and copying the filtered results to any other location. Here we will try to get a high level understanding of the working of advanced filter. The advanced filter is an option present inside the data tab. It requires a input data or the source data and the filter criteria basis which the source data would be filtered. Then it copies the filtered output to a mentioned location. So here we can see that the records where customer name is Ram and age is greater than 35 is our filtered output. Let us now move to our Excel sheet. We will be using the data from customer details data sheet to get a good understanding of advanced filter tool. Starting from column B till column G, we have our input data. In column J and K, we are capturing the filtering criteria. And starting from column M to column R, we have our output filtered data copied on a separate location without disturbing the source input records. Advanced filter can filter records basis multiple complex filtering criteria. Let us now spend some time on discussing the filtering criteria. To apply a filtering criteria, we first need to define that filtering criteria. To define a filtering criteria, we need to first understand the problem statement. In our case, we have been asked to filter out records where customer name is equal to Ram and age is greater than or equal to 35. So we now understand that for our given problem statement, we would need two filtering parameters. The first one is the customer name and the second one is the age. After defining the filtering parameters, we need to enter the parameter values to complete the filtering criteria. So for our problem statement, the filtering values for the customer name would be Ram and the value of the second parameter, which is age, should be greater than equal to 35. Now we have our input data, we have defined our filtering criteria. Let us apply advanced filter option and see what output do we get. To apply advanced filter option, select the data tab, then select the advanced option mentioned here. Select the second value for action which is copied to another location. Select the list range which is our input data range which starts from cell B1 till cell G24. Now in the criteria range, we need to pass the criteria section which captures the filtering parameters and their values respectively. For us, the filtering criteria section starts from cell J1 till cell K2. It captures the filtering parameters and the values of those parameters basis which the filtering would happen. In the next argument, we will pass the location or the starting point of the location where we want our output filtered data to be shown. I am selecting the starting point of the location as M1. On click of OK, it gives me two records as our output. Both the records have customer name as Ram and the age is greater than or equal to 35. We also have one other record with the customer name as Mr. Ram, which is present in row number 15, but this record has been filtered out because the age for this record is 34, which is less than 35. One thing which we should observe from this example is that here the filter condition had two filtering parameters and their values are being considered as AND conditions. So we are saying customer name is equal to Ram and age is equal to greater than 35. If we want to add an OR condition, we need to use another row. So the filtering criteria mentioned in the same row would be considered as an AND condition, and the filtering criteria mentioned in a separate row would be considered as an OR condition. For example, I am capturing Shreya as a value of customer name in cell J3. Now, if we apply the filtering criteria, we should be getting records where customer name is Ram and age is greater than or equal to 35 years, or the customer name is Shreya, irrespective of her age. Now, to accommodate the filtering criteria changes, we need to update the criteria range starting from J1 to K3. We will keep the copy to location as it is, and on click of OK, we now have 4 records. There are 2 records of Mr. Ram, both having age equal to 35, and we have 2 records of Miss Shreya, irrespective of her age. So we can conclude here that parameter values present in the same row are considered as AND conditions, as in where customer name is equal to Ram and age is greater than or equal to 35. Now the parameter values that are captured in separate rows, these are treated as OR conditions. So here it means that customer name is equal to Ram and age is greater than or equal to 35 years becomes eligible for our filtered output, or customer name equal to Shreya irrespective of the age becomes part of our filtered data. Advanced filter also helps in filtering out unique records. By unique record, we mean that a record for which none of the parameter value matches with another record in the datasheet. So to apply unique record check, we will click the checkbox present in the advanced filter screen, and then we will click OK. Understand here that it is considering a record to be unique if none of its parameter values is matching with any other data record present in the datasheet. Once we click OK, it will give us filtered unique records only. So we can see here that for Shreya, the second entry is removed and only the first record entry has been kept. Now what has happened with the second record or Shreya, and why is it missing here? Shreya has 2 records, one at row number 12 and the other at row number 24. Both the records are exactly the same, which means the parameter values in row 12 matches exactly with the parameter values in column 24. So the name is same, mobile number is same, gender and age are same, email ID is same, even the customer ID is same. Hence, it has kept the first occurrence, and all the other records which are duplicate for Shreya have been removed from the final filtered data set. Let us see the scenario of records with customer name as Ram. Ram has 2 records, one is at row number 2 and the other is at row number 22. All the parameter values like customer name, contact number, gender, age and email ID are having the same values, but customer ID in both the case is different. Hence, these 2 records will be considered as unique records. I hope you found this session helpful. If you have any questions, need further clarifications, or would like to share a feedback, please share the same in the comment section. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications.